Okay, this is a spin cycle in this brand new Tor Space Pro washing machine, model number T354010MLW. This is in my brother's friend's house. Remember the Bosch Max 6? It's now a Tor washing machine. See, it's on a spin cycle. Don't know what's wrong with it. It's only have 8 minutes. It's probably just draining. This is the drawer. Come on, you better spin this time. Oh, there we go. There's 2 door seals. There's one at the top. I don't know if you can see them properly. I don't know. I'll just turn off the... Oh, there's a mouse trap. I'll just turn off the lights. Oh, it's too dark. Better be careful. That shouldn't be there. Don't know why it's doing that. Oh. A bit unbalanced. It's a bit shaky. It's a bit shaky. 6 minutes left. Why is there a mouse? I don't know why there's a mouse trap there. Bit unbalanced. I don't know why. See, it beeps. Look. Sounds like the microwave beep. Bit unbalanced. The Bosch Max 6 has the brushless model, but this machine has the high pitch model. This is a 1400 machine. Don't know why there's a mouse trap underneath there. Oh, I don't think that's the only mouse trap I think that's in the house. Five minutes left. We're low again. Change. The hell? Unbalanced. Be unbalanced. I don't know why this actually machine is kind of speeding up to that's 900. It says scan me, I think, and 10kj. I don't know. This is a 2-year warranty machine. God, that's unbalanced. New fridge, Samsung. It used to be a Sanusi. I don't know if it was a Sanusi. New oven and net right there. And also it used to be a Sanusi oven. I think the Bosch Max 6 in here is still there, but I don't know. The tumble jar, I think in the sits tumble jar is still there as well. This is actually a magnet drum. Don Thompson Star was posting a video of washing machines, I think. No, not that. Oh my god, it's getting louder. 3 minutes left. Tor also comes in Beko. last one, Bosch Max 6, was an inverter motor. This one is a 10 kJ, but the Bosch Max 6 was a 7 kJ, I think. Left. Slow down. Two minutes left still. Very unbalanced a little bit. Seems a mini unbalanced spin. I don't know what. Okay. Well, it's finished, I think? No, we still got 2 minutes left. Wonder what it sounds like when it goes up to 1400. 1 minute left. This machine is very nice. Let's just have the brain cycle. There's a shop light up tank up there. There it is. Don't know what the fan's name is. No, don't know. Have no idea. This machine is brand new. This is a few months old. This machine's over 5 months old. It's a Space Pro machine. The Bosch was of 2000 RPM. Yeah, Bosch. I prefer this one because it's more quieter and not loud. It also says tour for here. It says tour for living for life. When it's gonna I wonder when this machine's gonna unlock. There we go. See, 2 door seals at the top. See ya.